Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, before beginning the class, I want to remind you one thing. Only reminder. You see, we are undergoing online classes. Each one is at your home. Online classes are very important for each and every one of you. Maybe or might be you might have been little careless last year during the online classes. Devi Krishna, am I right? Not you, these people, these other students, isn't it? Because, Jyoti, am I right? We were thinking that it is online classes, class 10, all promotion will be there like that. I understand. Okay. Maybe it was your first experience to be at home and hearing all the classes online. It has its own impact. It had its own impact on you. Devika, am I right? It had its own impact. And you could do many things during the time of online exams also. You are very experts in the matter of computer. Rosvinu, isn't it? We are very experts. So that is a matter of past. Shabri, isn't it? That is a matter of past. 11th and 12th, whether you are in humanities, whether you are in commerce, whether you are a science bio student, whether you are a math student, it is your subject. It is your subject. You have decided that I want to study this subject. Am I right? Devika, am I right? I have asked you, isn't it, whether you want this subject or that subject. So you told that I want this subject. So it is your choice. I think most of the more than 90%, more than 90 now, more than 98% students of the batch, I have directly contacted and I have discussed with you whether you want this subject or that subject. Am I right? Am I right, Anjana? Am I right? Personally, from my mobile, I have called you and discussed with you whether you want this subject or that subject. Do you feel? And it is with your consent I have given you the allotted. So it is your responsibility to excel in your subject. Aditi Dev, am I right?
Yes, sir.
In +1, +2, it is your chosen subject. You are 100% responsible for your subject. Niranjan, am I right? Did I ask you? Did I discuss with you? Yes, I have discussed. I have spent, I think, more than half an hour with you. I think so, isn't it? Directly and indirectly also. So in this way, with each and everyone, I discuss. Meherin, did I discuss with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have discussed with everybody. Everybody. Malavika, Prabil, did I discuss with you?
Yes, sir.
I have asked you, isn't it? Why can't you take this one and that one, isn't it? So now, whether it is online or offline, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. All should be very attentive to the classes. All should be learning the lessons regularly. +1 portion is very important. Don't think that +1 there is no board exam this year. We cannot say like that because the third wave is set to be coming in October. It is heard like that. So we sometimes +1 marks will be like a board exam. So if you don't have proper marks, it will affect your second year marks. It will affect your marks. Secondly, if you don't understand +1 topics, whether it is accountancy or maths or biology or physics, you will not cope with the second year portion. So please be with the subject every day, every day. Third thing, in the beginning, don't depend upon guides. Guide means textbook guides. Don't depend upon. Depend 100% upon the textbook. Textbook. Because around 50% questions are based on MCQ and 1 marks. These may come from any part of the textbook. You may be very excel in writing long answers, but if you want to score 1 marks, you have to read textbook. And it is not possible to read the textbook just before the examination, what we had done last year, isn't it? In class 10, there were many people, they enjoyed 10 months. And on the previous week, they opened previous week of the model exam. Buddhadev, previous, not you, these people. Previous week of the model exam, they opened the textbook and they wrote the exam. Clear now? That will not be practical in +1, +2. You have seen your bundle, isn't it? Textbooks. This is not possible to read the textbook and write the exam on the previous day. Very clearly, I'm saying everything. I talk with you with my own experience. At least I have the experience more than of your age, isn't it? More than of your age, I have that experience. From that batches, I tell you, I want to tell you everything clearly to you because I consider you grown up, understandable children. That is why openly last year also in class 10 also, I clearly explained the things. These are the situation you have to work accordingly. I want to make you a mature person. Be responsible with your responsibilities. So, read the textbook. If you depend upon guides in the beginning, what happens? Guides will provide you question answers. You will learn those question answers, but you will not get a link in between. You will not get a link in between. In between the portion, you may not be able to connect it. Once you read the textbook, then you can depend upon such kind of materials. Clear now? Once you make a textbook thorough, then you can go for some material that will be helpful. Okay, I am not denying that, but it is not the time to pass the exam with study material. No. Read the textbook. If you have the doubt, you go through our PDF. Teachers are sending you summaries, isn't it? Depend closely, go through that. I tell you the methods to score the mark. Okay, these are the certain things. Number 4, all of you should switch on the videos. There are the certain reason for that. And you have to write your name clearly. Don't write, you are writing now. I am telling these things. Don't write any imaginary or your nickname or pet name. The reason is that I could see there are certain people from other than our class are coming to class and attend. There is no problem. But in the classroom, they are not permitted. Classroom, they are not permitted. And sometimes I could see they are making certain, not in your class, I am saying, I am foreseeing. So we do not want to enter and permit anybody other than you people. They can watch our YouTube channel, no problem. They can attend a class. Because I am talking to you personally, certain things as you are my children. You are my children. I tell you certain, to children, father will speak something personal matters, isn't it? That shall not be given to anybody else. That is the only thing. So sometimes people will not switch on the video and they may write your name there. Isn't it? They can type your name and they, without video, they can sit. So that is why name is not the guarantee. If your videos are not open, there is a chance of removing your name from the board. The name will be, your block will be removed from the class. Then you will not be able to attend the class. And afterwards, if you call me and tell, there is no meaning in that. Clear now? That is why in the beginning, now there are some students, I can call out the names. Pranav, Irene, Agna, Sanjana, Basma, Anakha. So I want the videos. This is the reason. So teachers may delete you from the board, remove from the board. So why I'm a new student, why you deleted my name and all these things? There is this, that is why prior to that, I inform you. So all should switch on the video. That is our system. That is our system of class. Why in other schools there are not, nothing is there. There is no kind of such comparison here. In our school for classes, all should switch on your videos. That is a must. So there is you will not be able to attend the class. So these are certain things for your kind attention. Eva, I think you understood very well, isn't it? If Eva says okay, then everything is okay. Okay. Now let us go to our Einstein. In the last class, Faiza, are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So in the last class, we have come to page number 30, I think so. So we have seen, if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on your diploma. That means, suppose you are leaving this school and you are going to Milan, and suppose you could not succeed there, you could not find success in that matter. If you have taken TC, you will not be able to come back to this school. Since you are on leave, so you can come back to this school later after 6 months. That is why, if worst happens, suppose one person had a business and during the time of Corona, business was not successful, and in between the Corona, he was in great trouble. So he began another business, and that another business had become worse than the previous business. In the previous business, he was losing 100 rupees per day. In the second business, second business, he was losing 200 rupees each. 200 rupees each. Just a minute. Here he is losing 200 rupees. Worst had come. So if he did not close the first shop, he can come back to the first shop. Clear now? That is the meaning here. If the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. Clear now? I will never come back to that place. Yuri, even if I die, I will not come back to this former place. Albert assured him, I am going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. Tomorrow I am going to the principal and I will throw the certificate to him, and that will be the last day in my school. Don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics. That we have seen, I think so. Am I right? No. So I am going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. Underline, that will be the end of it. don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first. My dear, if you are going to Milan and to enter into a college, you want a certificate. And first of all, if you go to the principal and throw the certificate to him, you will be pushed out of the school. So remember, first you go to mathematics teacher and get the certificate and keep it in the pocket. Then you get the TC, then you throw it out. So don't forget to go to the mathematics teacher. Mr. Coach willingly gave the reference he wanted. So the doctor gave a certificate as he wanted. Mr. Coach, the mathematics teacher, also gave a certificate as Albert demanded. Then Coach said, Mr. Coach, mathematics teacher underlined, if I say, this is an important sentence of the class. It is a sentence that tells about the future of Albert Einstein. It is a prediction. The mathematics teacher foretold, if I say, I can't teach you anymore. Suppose I am unlucky, I feel unlucky that I can't teach you. You are a very brilliant student, Aditya. You are a very brilliant student. And if you are going out, I feel unhappy. I feel sad. Oh, how much I had wished to teach you. Merrill, how much I had wished to teach you. Now you are going out. How you think, how much sad am I? If I say, I can't teach you anymore, and probably, very important sentence, you will soon be able to teach me. Understand? I imagine, I dream. Nimida, don't dream. I dream, I will dream. Don't dream. You don't dream. Nimida is dreaming about Albert Einstein. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, so mathematics teacher says, I dream. Hum honge kamyab. What is Samalaviga? Hum honge kamyab?
We will succeed one day.
We will. Hey, don't. You are not authorized to change the copyright. Niranjan, what is hum honge kamyab? What is the English song of that? Anyone? Nimida?
We shall overcome.
We shall overcome, isn't it? Who said that sentence? Anyone can say? Eh? Vidya. Who said that sentence? We shall overcome. Josie sir. No. Who told that sentence? It is told by the greatest man of US, Martin Luther King. He had told the sentence. It was his sentence. We shall overcome one day. Hum honge kamyab ek din. Hum honge kamyab. Isn't it? Hum honge kamyab ek din. We shall overcome one day. That is a dream of Martin Luther King. So here, Mr. Coach, the mathematics teacher, Niranjan, mathematics teacher, dreamt about Albert Einstein. I dream there shall be one day when you will teach us. You will teach us. You see, a teacher speaks about a student who was not interested to attend the classes. You see? A teacher made a prediction. Teacher foretold. Teacher prophesied about a student who was not interested to study, interested to come to school. The teacher says, we shall study from you one day. We shall learn एक दिन हम पढ़ेंगे एक दिन आपसे. Write a song. हैं? हम पढ़ेंगे एक दिन आपसे आइंस्टीन. We shall study from you one day, Einstein. It was a prophecy. That is why you are learning Albert Einstein now. Clear now? That is why Albert Einstein, the worst student, had become the scientist of the century. Clear now? Clear now? So, my dear 40% and 50%. Huh? Oh, you, sir, why are you humiliating us? We are 90%. Where is your certificate? Isn't it? So, shall I call you Valentina? My dear 40%, till you get your certificate, I can call you 40%. Eva feels humiliated. Ah, Jesus, shall I call you 40%? No, sir. Why are you? Oh, no, no. You are intelligent. That is why I called you Einsteins, isn't it? Huh? You are learning that Einstein now. You remember such an Einstein had become the centurion, the scientist of the century. You follow him, follow him, learn from him. That was the prediction of the mathematics teacher. Sir, what did you say about me? Hey, don't say like that, sir. I am a poor man. He's saying too much, sir. You can appreciate me. You are good. So why are you saying we are going to learn from you, Einstein? That is too much, sir. If you are mocking, there is a limit, sir. Why are you mocking like this? You see, that is saying too much, sir. It was still a glow. I will put it more seriously. Anyway, sorry, the teacher said, no, 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 no. It is only the truth. You have to read the sentence like this. Eh? Coach said, no, no. I spoke only the truth. Underline. It is only the truth. Right. I will put it more seriously. I will consider it. I will think it more seriously. It was still a glowing reference, a good remark, glowing reference, a good remark. And Mr. Koch made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. I am sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class. You see, very good comment, isn't it? This, I think this comment will be suitable to many of us. You are good. You are very excellent. Ah, yes, yes. You are, Jesus Joseph, we are very excellent. But I can understand that there are many absentees, isn't it? You have taken a number of absence because connectivity, net problem, Wi-Fi problem, electricity problem, many problems are there. Okay, you see, you were wasting your time in my class. It is almost the only class where I am not wasting my time. You see, sir, I was wasting all my time in all classes except mathematics. In mathematics class, I was attending, sir, very well. And underline. It is almost the only class where I am not wasting my time, said Albert. But how did you know I am leaving, sir? Sir, how did you know that I am going to leave? You wouldn't have asked me for this reference otherwise. If you are not going outside, you would not have asked me this reference. So asking this reference itself shows you are going out of the school. I thought you would wonder. There is nothing to wonder about, Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. Underline. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. The sentence will be like that. I knew that you would leave the school before the completion of the diploma. Clear now? I really thought when I saw you, I already decided in my mind 6 months ago that this boy will not continue here. He will leave the school. So I understood that you would not be completing the course before you decide to discontinue. Clear now? You have decided to discontinue yesterday only. Decided. But prior to that, I have already known that you are a person who will not be continuing in this school. In this school. Then it is almost, sorry, there is nothing wonder about Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. Albert was puzzled. What did the teacher mean about me, about these words? With these words, what the teacher did think about me. He was thinking, he was reflecting, he began to think about his future. John Philip, from that comment onwards, Albert was thinking about his future. He began to think. Thoughts, thinking mind will create success. He soon found out before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher. He was summoned to the head's room. So he was planning to get an appointment with the principal to give the letter. But luckily, before asking the permission to visit, he got a summon. He got a call. Principal called him to his room. Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or to outside. He thought, oh, it is good. If I had asked a permission to meet the principal would say, after 1 hour you come. So I had to wait there. When I go after 1 hour, principal would say to me, wait 5 minutes, wait there. Because I was a good fellow. Gaya. That is why the principal would ask me to wait and wait. Now the principal himself have called me. So it is easy saving the time. Do you understand the value of time? Albert Einstein teaches you the value of time. In the beginning of the class, I told you, don't waste your time. Anila, first year onwards, you begin. From today onwards, you start to study. Don't waste the time. Even Albert didn't want to waste his time. He tells about the importance and value of time. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for, why he was called, but vaguely supposed he was to be punished again for bad work and laziness. Usually, Alina, principal or teacher calls us to scold. Whenever the Josie sir calls, Alina, come here. Alina understands that Josie sir is going to scold her. Am I right? Do you think? Oh, she thinks that Josie sir never scolds me. Today onwards, I will start. Today onwards, I will start. Okay. She says that I didn't scold her. Okay. So when principal called Albert Einstein, Einstein had no wonder. This is a usual thing. Teachers call me and punish me. So he might be called to punish me. Extra punishment. Your work is terrible. And well, he had finished with the punishments. I am not going to punish you. The principal said when he reached there, Einstein, I am not going to punish you. The head teacher said, Albert surprise. Your work is terrible. And I am not prepared to have you here any longer, Einstein. Einstein, you are a terrible fellow. You are a terrible fellow. I am fed up. You see, this is the sentence. I am fed up. Every day, all the teachers, Sir Einstein, Sir Einstein, Sir Einstein. I'm fed up with you. I want to send you out. Please go away from here. Please ask for the TC. You see, that's the thing. Your work is terrible. I am not ready to have you any longer here. I am not ready to. Just a minute, just a minute. So, leave the school now. Sir, what did he say? You are sending me out of the school. That is what I said. Don't you understand? What is the meaning? I have told you to, I am giving you the TC. Don't you understand? You mean that I am to be expelled? That means you are sending me out. You can take it that way if you wish. In whatever way you take, no problem. Meaning is same. Suppose you can take it that you are asking TC. Suppose you can take, I am sending you out. Thirdly, you can take that you are going out of the school. Fourthly, you are thinking that your father is coming and taking you out of the school. Whatever you wish, you think. But the answer is, you are out. You are out. The head teacher was not mincing the words. He was with the rough words. No mild answer. Dia, there is no mild answer. One cut, two pieces. Isn't it? That's the thing. Mincing means fine. There is no mincing words means fine words. Not mincing words, rough words. The simplest thing will be for you to go off your own. Best thing, sir, I am going. You say like that and you go by yourself. Then the question won't arise. Sometimes it is better you go out, otherwise I will pull you out. So better you decide and you go out. But what crime I committed, sir? What is a mistake? Why are you sending me? You see, the boy went there to get out of the school, isn't it? Now he is asking, you see, very, very crooked fellow, very cunning fellow. Now he is asking, sir, what mistake I had done to send me out? Underline, very important sentence about somebody. Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach. You see, very good comment about your scientist, isn't it? You think about the scientific history. Your presence, if I look at you, I become nervous. I can't take the class. Get out. You see, this is the thing. Nasha, can you get to the school? Don't take bath. Not brushing the teeth. Not changing the dress. Stay inside. I see him. My mood is gone. Children, today no class. I. You see, this is the remark. Jewel, name is good, isn't it? Jewel, Pearl. So you see, your presence itself makes the teacher unable to take the class. And for other pupils, students to learn in a single sentence, you are a disturbance. You are a disturbance to the students, to the teacher, to the school. Every day, 4 cases, every day, outside class, 1 hour extra punishment, everything. Underline that sentence. It is about us, isn't it? It is about us. You see, when you are not switching on the video, I feel it, isn't it? This Einstein is sitting here. You see, your black holes are a disturbance for my class. Should I say like that, Alexina? You see, same sentence is applicable to you. The black holes with some white names itself is a disturbance to take the class. You refuse to learn. How many times teachers tell you in the morning itself? I told you, learn every day. How many times your parents told you, learn, learn, learn? You see, you refuse to learn. You are not obedient. You are in constant rebellion. പോത്ത് പോലെ. Mama says, let me study very well. This plus one. I am plus one. I am a matured girl. Oh, matured girl. You see, you are a rebellious child. You are talking against the teachers. You see, these are the meaning. And no serious work can be done while you are there. You are a total disturbance to the class. Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. His body was burning with the anger. Blood is boiling inside. Because of the heat of the blood, he realized that the paper is burning in his pocket. What is in the pocket? Certificate, certificate. Because you are a mental patient. See, do you remember? The mental patient certificate is in his pocket. And while hearing these words from the principal, his blood is burning. And because of the heat of the blood, he realizes that even the paper is burning. Such a terrible situation, you see. Underline, medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. When we are also angry, what we will do? We will take the pen and we will scratch on the paper and we will make a hole on the paper, isn't it? The same thing happening in the life of Albert Einstein. I was going to leave anyway. Hey, Mr. Principal, you don't take any seriousness. I am going out of this school. Then we are in agreement that, oh, so both of us are in an agreement. I want to send you out and you want to go out. And we are in agreement at least, Einstein. The head said. For a moment, Albert was tempted to tell the man what he thought of him and of his school. For a moment, Albert wanted to say a comment on the principal and about the school. Sir, very good. I have an opinion about you and about the school. He thought of saying. Then he stopped himself. He did not speak. Without another word, holding his head high, he stacked out, underline. He did not speak a single word, but keeping his head high with a great feel of success because he had won without the certificate, he went out. Stacked out, went out. Shut the door after you. Principal said, when you go out, please close the door. Albert ignored him. Albert was not ready to hear his words. He walked straight on. You see, he walked straight on out of the school where he had spent 5 miserable years, the hell of his life. He described that school as the hell of his life. The school where he spent 5 years of miserable life. Naureen, do you follow me? Naureen,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
Okay. Albert ignored him. He out of the school where he had spent for 5 miserable years without turning his head to give it a last look. He did not have the mind to look at the school once more. While going out, turn and look once again. Oh, bye. I'm going. He did not say. Underline that two lines. Was out of the school where he had spent 5 miserable years without turning his head to give it at last a look. At a last look. He could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye to. There was nobody except the math teacher. He had to say goodbye to the math teacher. He had already said the goodbye. Indeed, Yuri was almost the only person in Munich. Underline, Yuri was the only person in Munich he felt like seeing before he left the town he had come to hate almost as much as the school. He also hated the town also. Okay. In the whole area, he loved only Yuri. Elsa was back in Berlin, and he had no other real friends. By that time, Elsa had come in Berlin. So in Munich, there were no other friends, only Elsa and Yuri. Elsa had already gone back, only Yuri was there. Goodbye and good luck, said Yuri when he left. You are going to a wonderful country. Underline, you are going to a wonderful country, I think. I hope you will be happier there. So after +2, you also will be going to a wonderful country, Niranjan. And we will say you goodbye. And we wish you not to come to the worst, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? So this is the school experience of Albert Einstein. I hope you understood little bit, somewhat. Isn't it? Little bit you have understood. I will send to you certain questions and I will explain you how to write it. Because I will explain how to write. Many of you know, many more new students are there. So I will explain how to write, then you will write. Okay. Clear now? Okay. It is time. Thank you.
Thank
Today
you.
evening, no class. That
Thank you,
class will
sir.
be on Friday. Okay.